So, midweek rat session. So, again, I really want to sort of hit this new farm, new permission I've got quite hard. Try and want to do the best job I can at trying to clear as many rats out as possible. So, we're going to go for a midweek session and see how we get on. Hopefully, whether I'll get the same amount that I did last time, which was like sort of mid-30s, early 40s, not sure. But again, we'll see. We'll just see how we get on. So hopefully another good rat session, hopefully some good shots, but we'll see. Let's get to it. Catch you in a bit. so that's the midweek session done on the rats on the new permission. When I got there, obviously got everything set up, and then went across, saw the farmer because he was attending to some of his cattle. He's really pleased with the job that I'm doing on the rats so far. He saw the rats that I'd shot the other day, and really pleased with the numbers that he saw there. He was quite surprised I'd got so many. So yeah, he's well chuffed with that. Nice to get some feedback off the farmer, to be fair, because it's always pleasing to hear that you're doing them a good job, and in turn obviously they're pleased with you being on their land, which is the whole purpose of everything. What's the saying? You scratch my back and I'll scratch your back, something along them sort of lines. So yeah, he has also asked me to try and help out with the crows. What he's finding is a lot of the crows are actually ripping the silage bags open and then defecating on all the feed inside, which then he's obviously in turn feeding into his cattle. So again, he wants to try and eliminate that as much as humanly possible. So he'd be very grateful if I can do that. So that's the next job on the list, possibly a job for the weekend. But again, yeah, he's really pleased. It's great. Nice to have a relationship with a farmer like that. That at the end of the day, it's his ground, it's his buildings, it's his livelihood, and he's letting basically a complete stranger go around his ground at night and trust that I'm doing what I should be doing. So again, when he sees the job getting done, that's win-win. I suppose that's what it's all about when you've got pieces of ground, is to look after the ground and then look after the farm or the farmers as well. Whole purpose of it really. So again, works both ways. So yeah, thank you very much indeed for watching the videos. Good that finally doing a bit of rat shooting, so probably be having a few videos on the rats, but I will try and, well, not I will try, I will be going back onto the squirrels as well, because again, I enjoy the squirrel shooting, and again, I've got a task to do on the other farm as well with the squirrels. So yeah, thanks once again, appreciate everything, and look after yourselves, take care, and we will see you hopefully on the next video.